y'all, I'm using one of my makeshift backgrounds because I don't feel like getting dressed, but I did feel inclined to do this video. Well, Carissa had put into the Occult Connections group a question about entities, and it was quite striking. And Calvin came in, and among other people, and he answered her in the comments section, and he inserted a link to a YouTube lecture called Creating Magical Entities. And I am in the process of wanting to get that finished, but I had to stop it to do this condensed version because I realized that a lot of people are not going to watch a 4-hour or listen to a 4-hour lecture. So I decided to do a condensed version to share particular points that resonated with me, and I believe will resonate with others who are inclined to listen to this video that I did in condensed form. Before I share what he had expressed, I wanted to share some points of my own. Remember when we were children, we had our imaginary friends, at least some of us did. And to us, though, they were not imaginary friends. They were real friends. They were our realities. And we talked to them, and we claimed that they talked back to us. And we played with them, and we embraced them. And also, remember back some time ago when Beyonce shared that she created, I think she called it an alter ego, Sasha Fierce. And Sasha Fierce manifested when she would get on stage and do her concerts and performances, and she indicated that when she would get into the channeling of Sasha Fierce, it helped her to do her best performances and doing her dance moves and so forth. So that was, those are just two examples of entities being used to help us in our journeys and to make us more skillful and empowered. So now I'm going to get into, the video was done by Brother Panic, and some of you all may be familiar with Brother Panic, so I'm going to just give some excerpts from that video, and you can also pull it up yourself if you want to watch the whole 4-hour one. Or listen to it, because not really people being shown on it, it's more of a listening type of situation with the video. He said, visualization, I have notes here, y'all, so just bear with me, please. Visualization, imagination. The more thought, the more power. Apply energy. Use thoughts to create. Give entity name and personality. And of course, you can add an S to that if you want to make create more than one entity. You give entities names and personalities. He used it as an example a bracelet. He said a bracelet could be that entity. When you wear it, it can be fully active. He said transferring your thought form into that physical thing. Your thought form also can exist without a physical thing to hold on to and still work. Send your thoughts that way. Build that entity up with your thoughts. You're creating this thing with your mind. You're creating the thing that the more thought you put into it, the more power you give it. He also mentioned to put sex into it, which will mean even more power. That's how we create people, using sex, right? He said, think in terms of etheric sperm, etheric vagina, etheric orgasm, giving birth to entities too. In etheric form is reminding you of giving birth to physical babies, so to speak. He went on to say, using your thoughts to create whatever reality you set your mind to, and see and visualize your entity going to take care of the business you design it to do. So far, that's all I have, and I may even put in the post that I do the mark on the video where you can listen to it yourself at the point that I found so far most striking. So thank you for listening. Bye now.